Hey everyone, it's Unique. We've been talking a lot about the skincare we put on our face, but today we are focusing on nutrition and what my diet looks like with a focus on skin health. So here is what I eat in a day for clear and healthy skin. With 2 kids in virtual school still, I usually make my breakfast pretty simple and easy and quick. So I'm going to have instant oats with hot water in order to make it. It does have quite a bit of added sugar, but the rest of my day is pretty low in sugar, so I'm not really worried about it. To this, I'm going to mix some pea protein powder from Aura. I love this chai vanilla flavor, and raspberries, which is filled with vitamin C and antioxidants. And I'm going to warm up a bit of organic almond butter. This is literally just almonds, to add a boost of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which is going to be amazing for reducing acne and fighting skin damage. After breakfast, I went ahead and got ready to go to the gym. I do like to exercise and take my pre-workout, which is what you see here, after I eat breakfast. My pre-workout is going to give me the energy that I need to get through a workout, okay, because I've been working out, lifting more weights more recently, and I find that when I take my pre-workout, and this one doesn't have any added sugar, it really helps me get through the entirety of the workout without feeling like I'm going to collapse at any given moment. So I'm going to go ahead, drink that, and give myself maybe about 15 minutes before I start working out. Now I'm going to start another Bodies by Rachel challenge at the end of this month, so if you want to see more fitness content, let me know and I'll be sure to update you on those results. After my workout, I consider this smoothie my after workout snack, but it is great because I'm going to be using the Clovis Farms Organic Super Smoothie Mix that I get from Costco. So remember, simple and easy. It has lots of berries and kales and bananas, no added sweeteners, and I'm going to add the organic coconut water in order to make it, which again doesn't have any other added sugars to it. Now, this smoothie is great because between the kale and the spinach, we're getting iron, vitamin C, A, and the kale has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which is going to be great for fighting acne, especially if you're dealing with fungal acne. Just make sure that you get organic kale and organic spinach, and then we're going to also get more vitamin A from our banana and antioxidants from all of the great berries that are in that mix, which is going to help us smooth out any rough texture on our skin by upping the moisture levels in our skin, healing any dry and parched patches. This is without a doubt a great way to get lots of veggies, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in your diet easily. To that, I'm adding my collagen powder, more so for muscle recovery, but collagen obviously is one of the big factors in skin elasticity. So any way that we could add collagen is a go in my book. For lunch, I'm going to be making wild-caught Alaskan sockeye salmon. I also get this from Costco, which salmon is great for omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D. It helps calm inflammation, help your skin retain moisture and hydration, gives you that really nice plump look that you want in your skin. It aids with skin cell growth and repairs, and it also helps protect against free radicals. So I just seasoned both sides of that salmon, and I'm going to put it in my air fryer because I love my air fryer. Okay, I keep telling you guys, quick and easy. I am in the middle of a school day and work. I can slap this salmon in and it cooks in about 8 minutes and it tastes good. Okay, let me look at that. That was 5 minutes. I'm gonna flip it over and cook it for another 3 minutes, and this salmon is going to be juicy and it's well seasoned, so it's good. Okay. But with the salmon, I'm going to pair that with a bunch of broccoli. Now, I love broccoli, not because it tastes good, because it does, but also because it's filled with so many vitamins and minerals, including zinc, vitamin A, vitamin C, all of these things which together help our body produce more collagen. So come on, firm, glowing skin, because we know zinc and vitamin A is going to keep our skin looking young for as long as possible. And you can't tell me that salmon don't look good. Look at my happy dance. That salmon's good. Okay. Moving right along to snack number 2, which I am going to be using this vanilla almond butter, which is amazing. But listen to me, this is a dessert. So this is going to be the added sugar for the day. But I'm going to be sharing this apple between me and my youngest son, and we're going to be pairing it with almond butter. Now, with apples, if you want to get all the skin benefits, you have to eat the skin of the apples, which means, if you can, buy organic and wash your apples properly. A raw apple with the skin has been shown to contain up to 332% more vitamin K, 142% more vitamin A, 115% more vitamin C, and 20% more calcium than a peeled apple. And apples also contain a type of fiber that acts like a prebiotic, which means it's going to feed the good bacteria in your gut. And with almond butter, it's so good. For dinner, I am prepping all of my veggies because tonight's dinner is a chicken Buddha bowl. Do y'all still make these? I love Buddha bowls because it allows me to get a lot of veggies in with a dinner that tastes so good. And I love to have a couple of different colors on my plate. It just makes eating more enjoyable. So I am seasoning up some organic free-range chicken thighs. I also get these from Costco. But I'm seasoning this with onion powder, garlic powder, some no salt seasoning that I get from Costco. I believe that was chicken bouillon powder that I put on first. Some black pepper. I don't think I use salt. I don't think so. But I'm just going to make sure that I season both sides of your chicken and rub it in properly. Nothing is worse than unseasoned, bland chicken. And seasoning does not mean a bunch of salt. You don't have to over salt your food, but you do want some flavor, because that is what's going to make your Buddha bowl really stand out, is when each item in that Buddha bowl is seasoned well. I'm going to prop this into my air fryer because I told y'all earlier, quick and easy. So I love the air fryer. It cooks chicken thighs in like 12 to 13 minutes and keeps them juicy. I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead, pop that into my air fryer, and then move on to cooking my veggies. I just popped a little bit of oil into my pan, olive oil I believe, and I'm going to saute both the bell peppers and the mushrooms. Between bell peppers and mushrooms, girl, you're getting so much vitamin C, B6, potassium, some folate, vitamin E, vitamin A. The mushrooms is going to give you some niacin, which is going to help protect your skin cells from sun damage. Okay, vitamin C is going to keep you glowing. It doesn't just work from the outside, it also works inside too. Vitamin E is going to give you the moisture and more protection that you need. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're eating your vitamins too. Don't just slap them on your face, also ingest them, because the more that you eat these vitamins, the better that your skin is from the inside out. So now I'm just going to chop up all of my chicken, not all of them. I'm just eating 2 chicken thighs. So I'm plating my chicken with some brown rice. I'm going to add some spinach because we love a good leafy green. And then I'm going to add the sauteed bell peppers and mushrooms that we made earlier. Add my tomatoes and some pickled onions that I pickle myself. It's just red onions that I soak overnight in vinegar, just regular white vinegar, which I just really love the flavor that pickled onions give to Buddha bowls, especially when they contain some sort of meat. So I'm going to add that, and that is basically dinner. For a little more pizzazz, I decided to add this guacamole salsa that busts, okay? Busts. And look at my face, I'm so happy. Don't mind my hair, it's wet, I just got out of the shower. But girl, it just took me to heaven. Glory to Jesus for his food. Glory to Jesus. So I am a snacker, and so for my third snack of the day, I am going to get Skinny Pop popcorn. Don't be looking at my pantry, girl. It's not organized, I know. So I love this popcorn because it's literally just like popcorn some sunflower oil and salt, and that's it. And it's not a lot of salt, so it's a way for me to satisfy my salty chip craving at the end of the night without having to eat a bunch of fats and oils, because junk food just creates inflammation in your body, girl, which will just show up as pimples, sis, and we don't want that. Plus, over time, junk food just makes your skin drier, and dry skin causes problems. But that's it for the end of my what did I eat in the day video. If you like videos just like this, consider subscribing. Like this video if you like it, because that's how YouTube knows to share it with other people. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.